This is Chris, and at this time, I want to do a lesson on prime factorization. That's a lot to say. Prime factorization. So, right now, we're going to do a lesson on prime factorization. All right, guys. So, the first thing is we're going to start with a very simple number. We're going to start with 24. Okay, so we want to use what we call a factor tree to factor all of the numbers for 24. So sometimes you can divide even numbers by 2, and that will automatically give you 2 factors that you can start with. So since this is an even number, we can divide 24 divided by 2 will give you 12. So 12 times 2 will give you 24. Now, the number 2, it's a prime number. Now, when you think about prime numbers, a prime number is a number with only 2 factors. So the 2 factors are 1 and the number itself. So the only 2 factors that the number 2 have is 1 times 2, or 2 times 1. And those are the only factors. So it is considered prime. So prime numbers we're going to circle. Now going back to 12, 12 is not a prime number, so we're not going to circle it. So what are 2 numbers that when you multiply, the product will be 12? Okay, let's try 6 and 2. So we already established that 2 is another prime number. Hey, check that out. We have 2 2's, prime number. But what about the number 6? 6 is not prime. Okay, so what are 2 factors that we can multiply that will give us the product of 6? 6. So we can do 3, and here's it again, 2. So is 3 a prime number? Yes, because the only factors that would give you 3 are 1 and 3. And we already established that 2 is also a prime numbers. So the factors, prime factorization, using a factor tree for 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Or if you're really feeling witty, you can do 2, check this out, to the 3rd power times 3. Because 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 3 equals 24. So, depending on what your teacher asks, this would be your final answer. And this is how we factor numbers using a factor tree. Guys, if you like videos and more videos like this, please subscribe to Crossover Math. Again, it's a joy and a pleasure to bring this to you. Make a comment. Let me know if you have any questions, and would like to continue making videos that can help you understand mathematics. Thanks.